Welcome back. We are going to make a quick and easy summer dessert. Now I will let you know that this called for Tang, but Tang for 3 tablespoons, which is less than 1/4 of a cup, had 37 grams of carbs. That's crazy because, I mean, your sweetened condensed milk is also high, so this would just be crazy off the charts. So I'm going to try to use a sugar-free orange jello instead. That way the bulk of the carbs is going to actually be coming from the sweetened condensed milk. So I've got my sweetened condensed milk in here with some sour cream, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix that. And then we're going to go ahead and go in with the jello. Now I have 1 small pack. I'll taste it, and if I think we need more, I do have a second pack, but there's no carbs in this at all. So let's go ahead. And I'm just going to get a little bit off the beaters there. It's not very orangey, so I'm going to grab the other box of jello. Okay, now that we've got that mixed in, we're going to go ahead and fold in 8 ounces of softened sugar-free Cool Whip. I have bought a graham cracker pie crust. If you make your own, that's fine too. Just for convenience, I picked one up. Once we get this really mixed together, I'll go ahead and put it in the pie crust and put it in the freezer. We want it to really set up. Okay, this is going into the freezer, and once it sets up, I'll bring you back and we'll have a taste test. Okay guys, so it's the next morning and the pie is frozen and it's delicious. It tastes just like a dreamsicle ice cream bar. I'm sure it's delicious made with Tang. However, if you want to cut down those carbs, then go ahead and make it with the sugar-free jello and the sugar-free Cool Whip. It's really delicious. It would even be good if you didn't have the graham cracker crust and made it into a pudding, because once it's frozen, it's literally like an ice cream bar. So I'll see you back next week. You guys have a good day.